Herbal ingredients are really working wonders on my hair in terms of thickness. My hair has increased in volume in a short period of time. Today, I'm going to be showing you this simple recipe you can make at home, apply it to your hair and scalp, and watch it grow thicker and longer. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple hair growth recipe you can make and use on your hair. This hair growth recipe is very effective and powerful. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my secret to longer and thicker hair. This recipe has helped me to thicken my hair in a short period of time and with consistency. The first ingredient we have for this recipe is green tea. Green tea has really helped me to stop shedding and excessive breakage. It helps to block the formation of DHT, which is a chemical that causes excessive shedding and hair loss. So if you experience a lot of shedding and you have thinning hair, then you need to start including green tea to your hair care routine. We will also be needing lemongrass. So I have introduced lemongrass lately to my hair care routine and I have really seen a significant change. This herb helps me to detoxify my scalp. It helps to refresh your scalp, especially if you have issues like itchy scalp, you have flakes, dandruff, and many scalp issues. So you need to be using lemongrass to your hair care routine anytime you have those issues or if you want your scalp to be clean. The next ingredient we have is stinging nettle. Guys, this is a powerhouse. Stinging nettle also helps to block the DHT in your scalp. So I have been using stinging nettle for many times. I have used it and I have done a lot of videos with stinging nettle. So if you have issues with shedding, excessive hair loss, then you need to start using stinging nettle to your hair care routine, and I guarantee you that you won't experience shedding. So now I'm going to transfer my ingredients to a pot. I'm just using any amount. Feel free to use any quantity of your choice depending on the amount of treatment you want to make. For the green tea, I'm just going to add half tea, like a teaspoon, because it is very potent. So you don't need to add a lot of green tea. And since it's in powder form, you don't need to add a lot. Also, for the stinging nettle, just half teaspoon. So now I'm going to add some water, about 1 cup. I'm not going to make a lot of this treatment. I'm just making for today's use. Right now, I'm gonna give a little stir, and after that, I'm gonna cover everything and transfer to a stove. Let the ingredients simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, it has already started boiling, and I'm gonna keep stirring until the water changes the color. Do not overcook. Just when the water changes the color, you can remove it from heat and let it cool down, so you can go ahead with the other step. So as you can see, it cooled down and this is how the color is looking. Right now I'm going to strain out using a strainer. Thank you so much guys for supporting me, for watching my videos, and if you're new to this channel, you are welcome, and consider giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So as you can see, this is how the hair growth treatment is looking like. Very effective drug. I really wanted it to be like that so that it can be very effective. Now I'm going to transfer to an applicator bottle and I will proceed into the application. So I'm going to apply this treatment on my hair. First, my hair is really dry, so what I'm going to do first, I'm gonna spray this to each section or each twist at a time. Once that twist is well saturated, then I take it down and finger detangle as I spray the treatment, making sure that that section is well hydrated. The reason why I'm taking down twists today is because I want to wash my hair, and so before I wash my hair I make sure to detangle it carefully and perfectly without experiencing a lot of breakage. So that's why I'm using this to re-moisturize and hydrate my hair before I do full detangling. This spray is beneficial for hair and scalp, so you can use this as a leave-in treatment, which is very effective. I have been using this as a leave-in and it has helped me to thicken my hair. Now, if you use this treatment, you need to massage it to your scalp so that you get all of its benefits. If you have scalp issues like dandruff, flaky scalp, and hair thinning, then applying this to your scalp and massaging it is going to help you and it's going to stop that. So do not forget to massage it to your scalp. And also, most important part, when you use it as a leave-in, do not forget to follow up with a leave-in conditioner and then seal in moisture with butter or oil. This step is very beneficial because your hair won't dry out. If you leave your hair like that, it's gonna dry out, and then when it dries out it can definitely break. So that's why it is always important to follow up with a leave-in conditioner and then a hair butter or oil in order to seal in moisture. So today I'm just going to use it as a rinse out. I'll wash it out later off the camera when I fully detangle my hair. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up, turn on the bell notification so you always be notified every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.